Hi, I'm Jermaine Rankin, a Democrat running for the New Jersey State Assembly in the June 2009 Democratic primary. As you know, our economy is going through some pretty tough times, and there's been a lot of talk about how this economic downturn has affected Wall Street, but not a lot of talk about how it's affected you as a young person directly. So I want to take about 3 minutes of your time and discuss with you the problems that we as young people face and what I believe our long-term response should be. First, I think it is helpful for us to understand how we got in this position. One generation ago, America's largest employer was GM, paying an average wage of about $17 an hour in today's wages. Today, America's largest employer is Walmart, paying an average wage of about $8 an hour. And over the past generation, many of our higher paying jobs have been replaced for lower paying jobs. As a result, the age group that's most likely to be employed by McDonald's is young people. The age group most likely to hold a minimum wage job is young people. And unfortunately, the age group most likely to be in poverty is young people. For those of us among us who go to college, we emerge 4 years later with not only a bachelor's degree, but also about $20,000 in debt. So whether we like it or not, we all as young people are in a precarious catch-22 situation where the cost of a good education is high, but the cost of no education at all is even higher because it virtually eliminates our chances of earning a higher paying job. So what are we to do about this? I'm proposing a series of policies as an educational and economic intervention with two basic principles. One, to improve the quality of education that most of us receive for free, and two, to reduce the cost of the education that we have to pay for. First, I want to propose that we make pre-K universal by 2020. This will not only ensure that every child is fully developed and ready for school on the first day, this will also save the average New Jersey family for about $1,200 a month in child care costs. Second, I propose that we invest more in our public schools to ensure that more students have a good school breakfast, more help with academic lessons they are required to know, and more tutoring on their SAT exams. Third, I propose that we make college more affordable by allowing students to earn college credits while they're in high school, making it easier for college students to trade their textbooks, and giving parents a tax deduction for saving for the cost of college ahead of time. We can do this, but I will need your help. I ask that you forward this video to your friends and ask them to join my page. Secondly, I ask that you go to my website, jermainerankin.com, and make a small contribution of an amount equal to about 1 hour of your wages. I know with a coordinated effort from hundreds of young people all around New Jersey, this effort will be successful. Finally, as always, I want to thank you for being my friend on MySpace. New Jersey's election day is about 7 months away, and I know with your help, we can make this happen. So thank you, and have a happy holidays.